What a day! Let's take a look on the market and let's take a look on some of the most challenging days we had in weeks. Market in massive correction. This trade I always convert to 1-minute chart reached decision point 2. Nothing else is possible. Price reminding you, if you know where your target is, the sky's the limit. In the course you learn that decision point 2 is your key target. After this, you're moving your stop outside of break-even, or you take single and double lot size off completely and get out of your trade. Nothing else is possible today. This was exact same level when market was frozen in key correction on monthly. Levels present in the room since 2011. Price been frozen at these levels between Fibonacci reversal zone and key support for years. Shock or not. This is S&P this morning. This is the reversal zone. Present in the trading room for weeks. And this is key support. Price is rallying from this level, shock or not. This is exact same thing S&P had done on monthly. As you can see very clearly, 1800 is key support, do not short. As you can see very clearly, it is key target on every trend trade you take. What did S&P do when 1800 was respected? S&P had done this. Bullish rally picked up the steam at trend inception on weekly chart, shock or not. Price is taking a massive pause for weeks, showing you 2300 and 2500 to follow. And that's exactly what price had done, shock or not. Key target is reached years later. However, it's been present in the room since 2011 on monthly chart. Price reached 2800 years later. When price started selling off, no surprise. It's a reversal zone, not a place to buy. Key target becomes key support. Do not short. Agree? This is S&P, not a place to buy. Why is market dancing again in bullish correction? Because S&P reached institutional support. Do not short. Look to buy from this area. As again, it was historical months in the market as we watched and monitored this support. And that's where bullish rally came from, shock or not. Buy with institutions, not into reversal zone. And if you do, what is the best case scenario? Pain and torture, no matter what chart you trade. And if I convert this chart to 5, take a look. Market in pain. What a day! Just like Apple had done for months. Shock or not. It's all the same. This is Apple previous few months in massive correction at reversal zone, where S&P 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 minutes is dancing. This is Apple now. Collapsed until key Fibonacci support. Rules are met. Take a trade. And again, how far in advance was this key Fibonacci support was identified and present in the room? Years in advance. No surprise. It's all the same. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. Where else is this identical formation happening right now? On oil. In 2016, this was trend inception. Shock or not. This year, when oil rallied from this level and reached bright green line, oil went to sleep, doing absolutely nothing when oil was lower than S&P. When oil finally reached reversal zone 77 number, what did oil start to doing? This. 64 becoming key support, which was key resistance. As I said for months, 64 is out, 55 will follow. But knowing where to place your trade is a key. And that's the power of knowledge. Oil selling off. And that's a beautiful thing. No sweaty palms, no heart palpitations, no speculations, no market orders. On oil, 64 no longer respected. Was the previous year. On S&P it was respected, not on oil. It's a beautiful thing if you know the rules. It's a beautiful thing if you play by the rules. The skies are the limit. And what played out on Netflix never gets old. Stunning earnings don't mean a thing. Fibonacci means everything. As Netflix sold off from bright green line. And right now reminding you, only if you respect the most important rule you learn in the course, the skies are the limit. Netflix in a whole a lot of pain. Exact same place. That's key support on S&P to the downside. It's key resistance to the upside. And before we close the room, I would like to remind you that only Fibonacci can identify these levels in advance. Nothing else ever will. Rules are met, take a trade. What you choose to trade, absolutely up to you. But your success starts with separating correction from reversal. Will S&P finally reverse? We've been here for the last 2 hours. And if it does, market will become spectacular. And if not, and you know what separates corrections from reversal, you are on the right track to success. Level present in the room for weeks, in a play in front of you right now. Not the place to buy. No surprise. And it's that simple. Remove all the indicators from your chart and start paying attention to price action. Nothing else matters. Every single indicator on the planet developed after price already made the move. Every single indicator delayed an artificial, Fibonacci natural, predictive mathematical sequence that present in everything that surrounds us. What a dance. What an ultimate reminder. Bright green line holding the key to your success. Never disrespect it as your target. What a dance. No matter what you trade. And if you understand the importance of bright green line, you are not surprised. Why euro sold off this year? You are not surprised. Why bonds sold off this year? Bright green line holding the key. Agree? It is that simple. Do not overcomplicate the market. Remove all the indicators from your charts, and only then you'll be able to see that market is flawless Fibonacci puzzle. Nothing else matters. Have a wonderful, wonderful afternoon, and remember, don't make your broker happy. Don't sit and stare at this. Your success starts with knowing when not to lose money. During holiday market conditions, unless we have a horrific news, this will be in the markets 70-80% of the time when brokers printing money. In day trading, you apply sniper's mentality. Remember, less trades, more money. Remember, knowledge is power. Nothing else matters. So if you would like to learn about method and you cannot attend one of our regular webinars, please record and see the latest webinar here. And if you do, you will understand a lot more about the method. And if you click on About Us page, you will learn more about the method. You will learn this is indicator-free, software-free method based on pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. And if you would like to join us in the course, all the specials are gone. Nothing is available except for Fibonacci Foundations course, still available at the greatest discount ever offered, ever. So, if you would like to join us, review the information on the website. If you would like to dive into my private mentoring that includes all group courses, please speak with me first. I work with you one-on-one in addition to all group courses, all group videos, all the modules on the platform and instrument of your choice. Review what students have to say. Take a look at what students are accomplishing. I simply love what I do, and stories like bread is a very powerful reminder. Knowledge is power. Can you do this in 2 months? From 1K to 25? Why not? All you have to do, play by the rules. Listen to Brad, listen to Jeff, listen to Ed. Never cease to amaze me how different every single trader trades the method on different platforms. No idea what platforms these are. Choice is yours. Learn the rules, apply the rules, and the sky's the limit. What you choose to trade, up to you. And always and forever remember, being babysitters in the market, being trigger-happy cowboy is not a recipe to success. Never underestimate what price is telling you. Never sit and stare. Never pull a trigger randomly. You know how to place a trade? You know the strategy rules? Simply do that. And if you have any questions, never hesitate to contact me, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.